Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the environment. Open Termux and give it storage permission so files and scripts can be saved. Once done, update the package lists and upgrade installed packages to avoid conflicts. Then install essential tools like Git, curl, and a text editor so you can edit files locally. Make sure to enable a proper keyboard or extra keys for Control and ESC. This makes terminal navigation faster and avoids typing errors as you continue. You now install and configure the tools you need. Use PKG to add OpenSH, Python, and a preferred editor so you can run servers and scripts. After that, generate SSH keys and copy the public key to targets to enable passwordless logins. This saves time and improves security. Next, create a / bin, place your executable scripts there, and export that path in /. Profile so commands run anywhere. Once configured, source the profile and verify each command. You finish by testing and automating common tasks. Run a simple HTTP server or an SSH service to confirm connectivity, and then create aliases for frequent commands. Once done, add widgets or small cron replacements to start tasks automatically. Make sure to back up /. SSH and your dot files to avoid losing configuration. If something breaks, check permissions first, ensure Termux setup storage ran. Verify file modes with LSL, and use chmod to fix execute bits. That single step fixes most startup problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.